Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Finance for Beginners. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to log into your TD Bank account. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, go to your browser and your default search engine. Then search TD Bank Login. Then scroll down a little bit. There you can see TD Bank Online Banking. Click on it or directly go to onlinebanking.tdbank.com. It will then take you to the official website of TD Bank. Once the page has been loaded up, enter your username, then enter your password. Once you have entered your login credentials, click to login. Then you should be able to access your TD Bank account. To make login easier for next time, click to remember me. But I do not recommend you doing it in a public computer or a shared device. If you have forgot your username or password, you can get help by clicking to forgot username and password. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.